Welcome. If you're looking to give your Roblox experience a fresh new look and make those late-night gaming sessions easier on your eyes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the dark theme on Roblox's website using your PC, following the latest update. The process is quick, simple, and you'll notice the difference right away. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to roblox.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all the important settings. Click on the gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your Roblox experience. Now, make sure you're in the Account Info section. If you're not there already, look for it in the menu on the left and click it. Once you're on the Account Info page, scroll down until you find the Theme option. It should be located just above the Social Network section. Click on the drop-down menu next to Theme. You'll see two options, Light and Dark. Select Dark. The change should take effect immediately, transforming your Roblox interface into a sleek, modern dark mode that's much easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. That's all there is to it. If you ever want to switch back to the original look, just follow these steps again and choose Light instead. Enjoy your new dark theme and happy gaming on Roblox.